Have you just installed the macOS 27 Golden Gate and now you want to join the new Siri AI? Let's see how to enable it and start using the smartest Siri ever on your MacBook. Hey Siri, create a picture of a cat. To turn Siri AI from scratch, open System Settings on your Mac. Scroll down to Siri at the left-hand side tabs. And here you're gonna just click Turn on Siri. Now, in case Siri is already enabled, just turn it off first and then turn it back on, that's all. A new animated setup window will appear. Select Try the new Siri. Next, make sure you're selected a language that's compatible with the new Siri AI. And then just click on Continue. That's it. The new Siri is now enabled on your MacBook. You'll notice the Siri icon at the menu bar. Click on it to open it. And here you can search for anything. Click the microphone to use voice commands or type in your request just like you would in a chatbot. For quicker access, you can right-click the Siri icon at the dock and choose Keep in Dock so it's always available in here like an app. Apart from that, you can also customize how the Siri app behaves. Just go to System Settings, from there to Siri. Under the Siri app settings, choose whether Siri opens in a new conversation every time or continues with your most recent conversation for seamless follow-up questions. You can also choose how long Siri keeps your conversation history, whether for a limited time or indefinitely. That's all, you're all set. Enjoy your new Siri AI on your MacBook. Hey Siri, create a picture of a cat. Thanks for your time.